I again would like to say that Nepal has been a country which is not only close to every Indian's heart, but truly it carries our culture and our traditions forward globally. And that is the reason that I am here today, to promote Nepal's culture, jewelry and their traditions ahead in the whole world, so that the world sits up and recognizes it for its true worth that it is. Considering the fact that we've always had such friendly relations, I feel the kind of people that we are. We are loving, we are warm-hearted, we are musical. That's why you all love Indian movies also, I think. Not only talking about Nepal and about India as well. So it's both these countries share that kind of passion to make good things. And I'm so happy, even though I come from India, that I have been chosen by your country. I thank you very humbly, and I thank the association very humbly for choosing me to be its ambassador for their very first endeavor to promote jewelry and gems Nepal worldwide. Congratulations and thank you so much. Being the showstopper for the show is that I love jewelry. And I know there are many women in this room right now, not one of them can deny that they do not love good jewelry. All those women who love good jewelry, please put your hands up. They're just looking कि दूसरा पहले हाथ उठाए तो मैं हाथ उठाऊंगी. Okay, so see, so if you ask a woman about jewelry, and I think it's the best thing for any woman, and wisely so. Why I say wisely so? Because me being a woman, a wife, a mother myself, for me jewelry is not only important to look good, but it's a very sound investment as well. You know, there is, as far as I think all of you know, that Nepal basically is, I think, the only country in the world that uses pure 24 karat gold in their jewelry, which is very, very important for anyone who's investing that kind of money. Haji?
Can you speak any Nepali word?
Like how Nepal is close to my heart, I can also say कि अब तक जो मैं आती जा रही हूँ, मैं नेपाली पढ़ रही हूँ, क्योंकि हिंदी अक्षर में ही है, तो ज़्यादातर हिंदुस्तानी वर्ड्स भी हैं उसमें. आप नेपाली वर्ड्स कहोगे, हिंदुस्तानी वर्ड्स कहोगे, सब जैसे कि मैंने कहा, हर इंसान एक ही है, तो खाली हम लोग थोड़े भाषा से अलग हो गए, लेकिन लफ्ज़ तो वही है. नेपाली जो पूरा फॉर्म था, जो मुझे लैंडिंग फॉर्म दिया गया था, वो मैंने उधर उसमें भी गाँव जाओ जाओ आओ, नमस्कार भी तो एक ही है. और गृह मंत्री वो भी पढ़ा मैंने, ग्रहालय वो भी पढ़ लिया. काफी कुछ पढ़ लिया मैंने, विमान उड़ान सब पढ़ लिया.